that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart.
What's wrong with you now? Why are you driving like that? I will change. You want to break my leg?
Very sorry, very sorry. I was actually rushing to pick my wife. I'm very sorry.
Your wife?
Yes. Very sorry.
But that is why you want to almost damage my leg. It's not like that now.
Mama, don't worry. I have package for you in the house. Let me just rush and pick her, okay? Just come to the house.
It's okay. You keep saying you're sorry, you're sorry. You say, my brother, shake body down. You say you're sorry. Because you almost damaged my leg here.
Just come to the house.
You have a package for me?
Yes, now. Yes. You know how they do that.
Yeah, I know.
What you so that you will reap. Oh yeah. What you so that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart.
Izu, what is your problem?
Do I look like I have any problem?
Yes, you have a problem. If you don't have a problem, you won't be coming to work by this time. At least this work is meant for both of us.
If you check it very well, you will know that it's you that have a problem. Because you don't even know what is going on. If not, you will not be here finding who came late and who came early. In fact, why did I come late? Because I was watching film. I saw your brother parading, gallivanting the whole village with that his girl, that Oka girl that he got married to. You're here talking about who came.
Please, Izuna, let us concentrate on this work. Leave my family aside this.
No problem. Let me change.
You said my brother is in town?
Just that you're acting like you're not interested. Your brother is in town. I saw him with my both eyes.
Uchenna is in town. When?
Yes.
When did he come in?
Uchenna, when did you come in? Because I don't know who you're asking. Isn't that your brother? I should be the one asking you.
I have to run along. Please, let me go and change. But when you finish clearing this place, burn it, please. Burn it, then I'll continue from the other side. No, I'm going to see my brother.
Hey.
Oh yeah. What you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah. What you sow that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true.
Mama, let me help out. Shut up, you pretentious fool. No, Oma, I just wanted to help. You see, my husband and my daughter are so hungry. So I just wanted to help so we can cook and all of us will eat. Hi! Oma, I have suffered though. Oh, so you came to remind me that I am a village woman, okay? That I am meant to be cooking for you and your useless daughters. Now, okay, you're getting it all wrong. I only wanted to help out, that's all. Don't know what you think. Let me just help. On your mercy, if you come close, I'll pour you this water. Sorry. I'm not off here. Come on, get out! Okay, sorry. I'm not off here. Go in Sudan and wine. Go out. Sorry. Oh, yeah, get out. Get out! I'm not off here. City woman. Okay, me, village woman. You want to come into your house and... Hey! It will run away with you! Hey! Funny boom! Eh? Hi! I've suffered. Think I need to go to the city. What kind of life is this now? With this useless husband of mine that don't even have money? Eh? Look at how I'm just wasting in the village.
What you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah. What you sow that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true.
Welcome, my husband.
Thank you. Today was very, very stressful. So I'm talking to you now. I'm really, really tired and very hungry. I don't know. Is there food?
What did you just say? Food? Which food?
You mentioned food. I say, are you cool? Like, it sounds like food, like cool.
When you're done, when you're done with the house chores and cleaning everywhere, you better come inside. Let's do. You know now. Let me not wait for you inside, though. You know what I can do to you. Stupid and useless man.
Let's do again. But I thought I did like 2 rounds before I left.
But I can't wait to take my daughter Cynthia back home. Ah, nice.
Honey? See, honey, I can't take this, so I can't take it at all.
What is it?
It's not my brother's wife. I only wanted to help so that all of us can eat. She's there insulting herself.
Look, Okoro is my brother. Don't worry, I'll talk to him. He will address this, okay?
He better address her because I can't condone this at all in this house. This is also my husband's house and nobody should insult me.
Ah, here he comes.
Uche, one day. Uche. Hey. Oh man. I was clearing a particular plot of land when I heard of your arrival. I thought it wise to come immediately.
Good day, sir.
Welcome, my wife. Look at how you're looking so healthy and beautiful. Chai, looking so bright like the morning star. I'm
trying, right?
You're trying. Have you eaten?
No, like we just came in.
No. Why? What is my wife Oma doing? Look, let me go and instruct her to prepare a delicious meal for both of you. With 1 chicken.
I don't blame you. What am I even doing? In fact, I'm not cooking again. I forgot sabuno. All of you will purge. In fact, with your children. Let me even take all these things. Look all these things. Let me go and dry my clothes. I go be born. Hungry. I force to start.
Hey!
Oh no!
I told you. You will address this.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah?
What happened at the farm today?
Nothing much. It's just that on my way back, Uche, Okoro's brother, almost knocked me down with his car.
And what did you do?
And the worst part is he was not even feeling it.
What did you do?
I did not really do much. I wanted to do, you understand? But it's just that he just gave me small package. So I just left it.
Package! Package is you? You're a very stupid man. You're a very useless man. You could not fight him! Or better still, ask him to pay for damages. How did they end up getting married to this weakling of a man? How?
No, like, he did not break his leg. He almost knocked me off. Thank God this guy did not break my leg. So if you have broken my leg, by now you'd have poisoned him.
My sweet wife, how are you today?
As you can see, I am doing fine without you around.
Without me around you? Well, no problem. That is not the issue at hand. My brother Uche and the family just came in, so they must be very hungry. So I want you to go to the kitchen and prepare something tantalizing for them. I will go and kill that big cock at the backyard to make the meal very delicious.
Hey! Hi! Chai! Oma! Hi! Atala ma fufu. Bia? Okay. Did you give me any money to keep? Mba. Oh. So because that's your useless brother, he is around, okay? That is why you have to come here to instruct me to cook my precious food for that useless brother of yours and that his useless wife that ran her mouth anyhow. Hi. The day she will step on my toes, I will beat her up mercilessly.
Oma, will you show yourself some respect and shut up? Head to the kitchen at once and prepare something.
Hi! Okoro! As your village chef, or Guinea. Bianwoke, you better respect yourself. Respect yourself before I do something drastic to you. You go. Rubbish. Don't even have money. Cook, cook, cook. As your house girl. Poverty straight.
Give him Madu GC go there. Where did I get it wrong? By marrying this girl. Oh! I am a good cook. There's no problem. Let me go and prepare it myself. Can go. Father, look that one. Was even trying to cook. Why did she stop? Let me even finish it up. I'm a good cook now.
Hey, where's Zuga?
What are you doing?
Don't worry, I'm trying to prepare it.
See, where's your wife? I actually came to apologize to her and also beg her so that both of us can cook and we all can eat too.
No, forget my wife, Oma. Don't worry. You just came back from the city. And besides, I'm a good cook. My late mother taught me how to cook. I even prepare intercontinental dishes. You can ask your husband.
It's not done anywhere, my husband. We have full-grown women in this house. Not just women, wives. So please, let me make the dish myself. I know you will enjoy it if I make it.
No, don't worry, don't worry. Oh yeah, sit down, sit down, sit down. You just came back from the city. And it is my duty to prepare this meal for you people as a home base.
Now I insist. I should be the one to cook, not you.
Have you heard about chicken pepperoni?
I've not heard of chicken pepperoni.
Oh yeah, watch you so that you will live. Oh yeah,
Zuna! What are you doing here? Chemo. Me, Chemo, Mama. What is this good for nothing boy doing?
Are you okay? Who are you calling good for nothing? My own in-law is good for nothing. Okay, again, that man is good for nothing son. Then you standing here and telling me that my son-in-law is good for nothing.
Mama, don't insult me because this rubbish boy. Don't insult me because this rubbish boy. Open an ear. Can you hear me, Yana?
What?
Please, I don't want you to be. No, don't mind him. I don't want you to be wasted.
Izuna, what did you just say?
I said, Mama, don't mind me. Mama, don't mind. Mama, why are you minding?
What did you just say?
Nadia, so you don't want to talk?
Izuna, leave my house.
Izuna is not going anywhere.
Izuna, leave my house.
Don't come here to report them.
Don't mind them.
So I leave this house now. Izuna, I said. Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone. You leave this house now.
Touch him.
I will not do anything. No.
Oh yeah.
No.
Sonia, stop.
So that's why you are insulting her. Man, this is not fair.
Stab me.
This is not fair.
Everywhere, stab me. What is it?
Man, this is not fair.
What's it? My mother, be. Useless man. Stupid man. Weeping of a man. How did I end up with this man? How? You the stupid man. You have the guts to go to my mother's house to report me, Abi?
I didn't even know that's why you were pouring all those insults. Yeah? I did not do it because I wanted problem. I just went to beg them to help me beg you so that you can calm down. Eh? So that if I've done anything knowingly or unknowingly to you, you can as well forgive me.
Forgive you?
Eh now?
Listen, I will frustrate you in this house. I will kill you in this house. See what I will do to you, eh? You will regret ever getting married to me. You know my brother now. You know Ebu.
Hey. Sure, which one is Ebu? This one you just mentioned, brother. Me, I'm not scared. I have thick skin now. Your brother come here, everywhere will spoil. What was the other one? Bring him now.
Okay, Ebu, babe.
Come me. I was just joking. Which one is Ebu, babe?
I thought you've grown. You have bones now. You can fight.
It's not like that. It's not like that. Just calm down.
You no longer have strong bones.
Come on, I was just joking. Okay. Listen, just forget your brother. You know, I don't want him to come here now and begin to, you understand? Anything you want me to do for you, I will do for you. Just mention it. You know, I'm sweeping, I will do it.
You know you're only good for one thing in this house, sure you know. Just one thing.
Which one is
that? I'm just managing you.
Washing plate?
To wash my own plate now.
Your personal plate?
Yes, now. That's the only thing you're good for. Come. Just come. Come inside, let's go. Don't pretend as if you don't know. Let's go and do.
The sun is too much.
Come now, come. It's only that thing you are good for. Come on. Izu, I'm still waiting for you, Izu.
Yeah, open it down.
Oh yeah, what you said that you
Izu, why is this place still like this?
No, I'm getting there.
Since morning. And why is this bucket here? Oh, come and carry this bucket out of this place.
I'll carry it. When I get there, I'll carry it.
And again, fill this drum. Make sure you fill it up to the brim. Okay?
Fill it up with what?
Fill it with my blood, Izu. Fill this drum with my blood.
What I know.
Stupid man, lazy man, weakling. I don't work if you cannot even nothing. Hey! Izu! Are you stupid? What is this? What is this?
What did I do now?
So apart from being useless, you're also blind now.
No, I didn't see you.
You're clear now! Clear now, Izu! You stupid man! No sense. Let me come back and still meet you here. What are you trying to do?
Hey, Bube, I'm going to punish you. Thunder will fire you.
oh yeah, what you said that you
3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. Good. So you write 2 carry 1. Carry 1. Then 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. Plus 1. 11. Write 1. Carry 1. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Plus that 1. 7. Good. So 2, 2, 3 plus 4, 8, 9 is equal to 6. Write 1 here. 2 plus 8. Plus 1. Good. 1.
Hey, Yachima. Mbagba, get inside.
Mama, I'm learning.
What rubbish are you learning?
I'm just teaching him how to solve some mathematical problems.
Hey! All of us, Sabi! Are you his teacher?
What is it again?
Yeah, Chima! I said get inside!
Daddy, I was just teaching him maths.
Just that?
Yes. I think Uncle's wife is troubled over something. She has been acting strange lately.
Okay, don't worry. I will talk to your uncle. And please, whatever help you want to render to Chima, just do it. It's your brother, okay?
Okay, I will.
I'm coming. I'm going somewhere, okay?
Uche, my brother, I have heard you. I will talk to my wife, Oma. I will let her know that all you want in this family is for peace to reign.
Thank you very much. Indeed, I'm very happy with what you have said. You just behaved like Papa. Anyway, I will also talk to my wife, not to step in your wife's toe. You know, we might be here talking, and she have done something wrong to your wife.
Your wife, that I know cannot even hurt a fly. She has done little or nothing to my wife. But if the case be, I will correct it. Let's leave that aside. How is the family and business?
We are married, you know the situation of the country.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. If you that is doing well in the city, can complain, then what are we going to do here? We village farmers.
Look at the way he's talking. Look at the way you are shining. You are not looking badly at all. See, let's go to that junction and take Nkwenu. This one in the village.
I'm telling you. He's still on board.
You so that you will.
This woman walk out on me. I think I have to talk to God about this. Money bar. How are you? I'm fine. I'm okay. Who is your friend?
Okoro. I should be the one asking you now. Is he not inside?
No, I doubt.
He's not inside. Hi! This boy has come to sell his land.
Which land are you talking about?
No. I'm not talking. I wasn't talking to you. I said lamba. Lamba. It's not land.
Please, Isu, please. Tell me. I know it's your friend. But please tell me. Which land?
Actually, I'm not supposed to tell you. It's supposed to be a secret. But let me just say it. He has gone to sell that land at Dikeh Shrine. Yeah. I was not supposed to tell you. But you see, I don't know how the thing just came out like that.
Is he mad?
If he's mad, I'm not sure.
See. Just, please. Is he there now?
But since he's not here, I am sure he will be there.
Don't worry. Let me go and meet him there. I will not tell him that you told me, okay?
Hey, wait. Please, you need to take it easy. The way you are vibrating now, so you understand.
No problem.
That started. Yeah? It's possible for it now. It's fine.
So someone just dress up and carry his little money and go to a witch house and seek for her hand in marriage and marry her. Aye! Okoro, itago concrete. Swa! But come to think of it, Oma was not like this when I married her.
Okoro! My man, this way you are sitting down here, talking to yourself. I hope all is well.
Israel, all is not well. It is Oma, my wife. Oma has been a bone on my neck. If she is not quarreling with me today, she's quarreling with my brother's wife. If she's not quarreling with my brother's wife, she's quarreling with my brother's daughter.
But wait, was she like this before you got married to her?
Izo, why are you talking as if you don't know Oma? Very well. The Oma you know before is not the Oma you know now. She has changed totally. She's now a witch.
Hi! Demonic attack, Uche. So Uche, you have finally used your occultic power to scatter this family. Hi!
Don't go there, don't go there.
No. You will not understand. Say don't go there. I had a dream. In fact, it was a nightmare. I saw Uche, he came to me and asked me how much will it take him to sell your father's land. And you know how this dream can be. You came into the picture, and the next thing, he stabbed you. Yes! I saw Uche very well now. This is not Uche. He was putting on a black trouser, a native top, black and white, has little stripes designed all over the body. Yes now! And you know I'm telling you this thing? My dream, it's not ordinary.
I don't like the position our conversation is taking. I think I have to take my leave.
Wait, why are you always ready to move? Go home. Why? Why don't you like relax in one place, walk like a man? Why?
I think I have to go to Mazel's house to check the site near Udengwa Shrine.
So you are going to the land now?
Yes, that land at Udengwa Shrine. Let me see if the laborers are few there, then I join them, let them work pay.
But okay, I mean, it's okay, I'll be here. But please, can you lend me your cutlass? I forgot to sharpen this one, I was in a hurry. That one looked more... Wow.
Uche, I am going to inspect a particular site near Udengwa Shrine.
Udengwa what?
Udengwa Shrine. Look, the work will soon pay off.
How dare you call selling our father's land the work that will soon pay?
What is the issue here?
You're selling that land is...
What land are you talking about?
You know what? Go there, tell them tell your buyers that land is set to be shared. Thank you.
Uche! Uche! Do you realize that I'm your senior? Is this not the same up and down Izu talked about? Uche, oye toro mmadụ toro chi ya.
Watch you so that you will leave. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will leave. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. Watch you so that you will leave. No peace for the wicked. No peace for the evil man. Watch you so that you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Our wife, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, no.
Please call my friend Mizu.
My husband is not around.
When he comes back, tell him that. Izu Odogu! Izu! Okoro! I hate your voice. Good to have you here. Yes. What is going on? I thought your wife said you were not here.
Maybe he just came back through the back door.
My friend, leave this woman. I'm here. I'm here. How is it going? I just want us to go and take some palm wine to cool off the day.
Hey, just when I needed that. Let's go, man, let's go.
I'll take care of the house. Don't worry. You'll come back and meet me in this house. Me, I could go. Okay.
Watch you so that you will leave. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will leave.
Shake it very well, oh. Shake it very, very well. Shake very well.
What's going on? Where did you keep my food?
Food?
Yes.
What is food?
The food. Where did you keep it?
There's no food though for a lazy man like you. There's no food.
Not today, not today. I'm not in that mood. I am very, very hungry. Where I went to work, me and my friend, we took a lot of drinks. I don't even know.
Do you see smile on my face? Do I look like I'm joking with you? I said there's no food for a lazy man.
What's the meaning of that? Why would there be food for me?
Hey! This one was blown, no? So you want to fight me? You want to beat me, Abi? Oh yeah, beat me! Beat me! Beat me! What did they do?
Just tell me, what is my offense? What is my crime now? Every time you always shout. What did I do now? Yes.
Do you want to know what you did? Why did you shout when I told your friend that you were not around? Why? Why couldn't you keep your silly mouth shut? You wanted to humiliate me. You wanted me to look like the bad person. Food though. No food for you. You will starve to death. Maybe it's me. Come on.
To call that small thing. There's no food for you.
Come on, Nito. Odogu, you eat Odogu today. Odogu. Odogu.
I would like smoky book. I would like smoky book.
Look at that in my video. Where is smoke toilet? Come here. Come on, move. Come on, move. Stand. Stand here.
So Izu, you have the guts to report me to
Who told you that? That's a very big lie. Anyway, you are thunder will fire you. It's all why Izu go and report? You know, that's a lie. You just want to cause problem between us. Because you know you are my sweet. Is this guy not lying? Smoke toilet. I don't know how one of these smoke. Are you sure? Sure. You can do here. Can you go over here? Well, I will not do. Now, you see, this. Go. I don't like this guy. I want to press. You see me, press. You see me, you. Press something. I come to the press of the. Look at watch this guy. I don't know. Come back. Don't see, make sure you take this. Are you hearing me? Let's move. Come on, the road. I have to roll your video. Me, I talk and say, like 20 years now, I never smoke. I never even suck blood. You have blood going to sleeping like say I smoke toilet. Nah, yeah,
she's a very wicked woman. Please what? Don't you see the way she is? What are you gossiping about? Me? You are gossiping about me. What will you do? Hey! What will I do? What will I do? Please, what will I do? Strength. What will I do? Look at my body, look at that stupid information did to me.
What do?
That is this information because I called her gossiping about me. She beats me up, she did this to me. Look at me.
And I told you, more baby. She has the guts to do this to you. Okay. So see, don't worry. Just go home, yeah? Go and freshen up.
No, I cannot go home. So me that stupid is you.
I'm not going home. Go home. See, go home. I will deal with them, okay? No, I will deal with that. I will deal with that useless girl, idiot. What kind of notice is that one? What the hell is one of me?
Now you are looking tattered. What happened?
Is it not because of you? Because of you, this stupid man! You went to the entire village telling them that me, I'm maltreating you. I'm maltreating you. And because of that stupid little man, our friend, they did this to me. Me! Akugo, me!
Who told them you were maltreating? How did they know the truth?
So you mean I'm maltreating in this house?
No, you're
not listening.
Okay, it's okay now. Sorry. Well, let's go and do it.
I'll kill this house.
Oma, you are my wife. And all I am saying is that peace is priceless and terror is senseless. We want peace to reign in this family. My brother and his wife are a peaceful couple. And if you understand them, you will enjoy them.
Who wants to understand with that foolish woman? When all she does is to paint her nails and carry shoulder as if no Obama.
Look, Oma, I want you to see things from my own point of view. I am your husband. Not on my position. See things from my own position, from my own angle.
Oh, Kuru. So you're not trying to say that I am not in a good position, Okoye? Oh, listen, Okoro. You better want those foolish people to stay off my way. Let them stay off my way, Inugo.
You dare call my brother and his wife foolish people?
Okoro, what will you do? No, tell me, what will you do? Rubbish.
Okoro, if we were to be in those days, will you talk to me like this? Look, I would have dealt with you decisively.
Hey! Okoro, what did you say? Okoro, what did you say? What did you say?
Nothing, just...
Oh, nothing?
Peace.
Peace. Walk on, do.
Oh, watch you so that you will leave. Oh, watch you so that you will leave. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. What you do?
I told you I don't have strength.
You don't have strength. If you see the way I dealt with her, really, I beat her, I even put her there.
Now, who among you touched my sister yesterday? I said, who among you touched my sister yesterday? So it's you, Ifama, that it's you, Ifama. Eh? You have the guts to lay your filthy hands on my sister. In Apoala. Are you normal? Eh? I'm talking. You are very personal. I'm not going to put trouble. Eh? So it's you, Ifama. Eh? Now spot. Do front jump, idiot. I said you should do front jump. Are you mad? Come on, do front jump. Is that to do front jump in your village? Eh? Come on, spot, idiot. Now come back. Come back. Next time if you see my sister, you run. You run. See that again.
I am tired of this rubbish. After all, I am the man of this house.
I heard you. Before you leave, act like a man you claim to be.
I have been acting as a man ever since I married you. But when I married you, Oma, this thing behind your waist was not as big as this. Look, it looks as if I am climbing Mountain Everest. I almost died here now. Mbakwa.
Look at this one. Look at you. Look at this one that cannot even last up to 5 minutes. You dare open your mouth to tell me rubbish. I'm even managing you. It's not even like you know what you're even doing. Look at you. My friend, before you go to anywhere, you better give me money.
Money kwa? Money for what?
Money for what? You will give me money for food though. And Secondly, you will give me money to paint my nails so that your brother's stupid wife will not brag about anything.
For the money for food, I will take my responsibility as a man. But for the nails, fa.
You will give me that money. You will give me that money. Look at you. If you see all these small girls, they paint their nails, you'll be looking at them. Now it is my turn. You will give, I will paint my, that your brother's stupid wife. I will deal with that in this house.
For the food and the nails, I will do that. Okay. But the problem here is okay, the money is inside.
You know I don't trust you. I don't trust you one bit.
You are a woman. Act like a gentle woman. Give me a chance.
Hey, this man! Man! Oboro, you better remain there. You will not come back to this house. If it's all those small girls, you will give them money. They will paint their nails. Look at me, your wife, eh? Oh, you married me to kill me in this house. I must paint my nails. That your brother's stupid wife will not even brag of anything. It's not even like she's even finer than me. Eh? You will come back to this house. You go and sit in and okay. Ogini, what is it?
Oma, please, I came to talk to you. If there is anything I have done wrong to you, please, find it in your heart to forgive me, okay?
Nkechi, I am not angry at you. It's not that stupid. Nkechi, what are these words that you're holding in your hands?
Oh, this. I brought them to you. These are my expensive wares. I know you have enough, but I want to just manage them add to the one you have already.
Hey! Chimu! Oh ma! I have suffered though. I have suffered. Nkechi. Oh, so you left your house and came to my small apartment to give me this your local wares. Okay?
No. They're not local. These are expensive wares. Okay, please just manage it.
Oh, Nkechi. So you look at me like a local woman or where?
No.
Or as a village champion. That is why you have to bring this rubbish to me. Nkechi, please respect yourself and get out.
Oma, it's not what you think. I don't mean it that way. For truth, I don't mean it that way.
Understand what? Eh, Nkechi? Nkechi, when did they marry you into this compound? Look at Nkechi of yesterday. Oh. Hey, I have suffered. Came to give me this thing because the one I'm wearing is not fine, not here. It's not your fault. It is Okoro's fault. It is not your fault. You know, go. Just get out.
Mama, sorry.
Sorry for your generation. What?
Oni, what is it?
Can you imagine, Oma?
What happened?
She called me all sorts of names just because I took few of my expensive wares to her.
But that's not fair.
No, I've exhausted my patience.
Honey! Please take it easy with her, okay? Maybe she'll be able to tell you her reasons for acting the way she does.
Okay.
But I didn't do anything wrong. I was just being nice.
Mama, I came to you because you are the only woman I can say I trust in this village. The issue of Oma, my co-wife, is really eating me up. No matter what I do to that woman don't appreciate anything. She kept calling me names. Okay, we came back from the city. She was at the kitchen preparing food for all of us to eat. I know everybody was hungry. I went to her, okay, let me help. Assist you in cooking so we all eat. This woman bounced on me. There was no name that she did not call me. There was nothing she did not say to me. What did I do? I was asking, where have I gone wrong? I only wanted to help. Okay, I went to my husband. My husband said he was going to discuss it with her own husband, the brother, so that he can handle it. But as it is, nobody is doing anything about that woman's attitude. It's getting me up to here. I am losing it. I'm also a co-wife like her, so she should just let me be to my neck.
Okay, Nkechi. Hey, you want Oma's issue to irritate you? No. You don't need to get this angry. Because of who? Onyeni. The village champion, village warrior. Mbano. You are far better than this. You are bigger than her in every aspect of life. She shouldn't even do anything that will make you feel too bad and angry. You overlook her issues. When one is better than the other person, if he or she is misbehaving, you overlook the person and continue with your life. You cannot compare your life with hers. What do you expect? Somebody that's in the village seeing you the way you are, she will get angry. And each time she sees you, it is bitterness of heart. Ufobi. Listen to me. I want you to calm down. I don't want anybody to change your identity because of anger. Are you listening to me? Biko Nkechi, don't allow Oma to change who you are. Manage her. She's just a co-wife just like you. Nobody is different. Nobody is higher than anyone. If she's coming with her madness, give her space. Avoid her. Now just see her as if she's not even existing at all. Onabia, Usolota. Osebeni, follow this way. Avoid her. That's the only way to overcome her, because I can see that she's just looking for a way to drag you into issues. So the two of you will be having issues. You don't allow her, don't give her room to chase you away from your husband's house. Manage with your husband. He said he will talk to his brother and allow them to have a man-to-man talk. Oh, Biko.
It's okay. She should just take it easy. Okay, whatever I said, she said, is it because I just came back from the city? She's a village woman. I never meant anything like that. I only came back to pick my daughter who is on holidays, has been in this village. Nothing would have brought me down to the village.
Don't worry. Oh, I will make sure I talk to her. If she will listen to my own advice, oh, I don't like this your face. Always be cheerful. But listen, I'm even angry with you. Just that I have not said it since. But this is an opportunity for me to also say my mind. I'm angry than her. You are laughing now. Your wig. You should have bought a wig for me. Let me give you my orange so that you will leak. Oh.
Okay, thank you. Just gave me a relief. That's why I love you. I trust you. I always run to you.
Now you are smiling.
Thank you, ma.
Watch you so that you will. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart.
Okay, Ife. Look at him thinking. What do you think can come out from this your empty brain?
Not again, woman. Can't you let me be?
I can let you be after you realize how blind you've been to see the handwriting written on the wall.
What handwriting?
Your brother has used his occultic power to sap your shine. Haven't you realized that all the money he has given to you, you can't even make anything useful with your life? You've been spending them recklessly, yet you remain poor.
I have heard you. So can you allow me to continue in my thoughts?
To think of the next person to farm for where?
If you say so.
Watch you so that you will reap. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will.
thinks because of her color, she thinks she's finer than everybody. Which foolish color? Bleaching color. Stupid woman.
Someone that if I catch her like this, I'll break her like
small. Let me even see her. If she even touch my water, it won't me.
Hey.
Good afternoon. Don't greet her. This woman is a witch. Are you not a witch?
I've been trying to reach you. I wanted to come and see you to see how we can resolve this you and Nkechi's issue.
Hey! See me as what? Am I your friend? Anybody that is Nkechi's friend happens to be my enemy. Bam. So because Hapumaka. You see this woman? You know she killed her husband. You know, as you can see her like this now, she's just coming from her boyfriend's house. Oh, you know that my boy tapper now? So you have a boy, he's the one and you're pretending.
Chai,
She killed her husband though.
How can you be this wicked?
Amma, is anything wrong with you? Are you insane? Am I the one you are telling all this nonsense?
No, her grandmother.
Is you now, this woman, this winch? Amosu. Oh, you know.
Police you there.
Amosu, want to fight me? You want to fight me? She wants to fight me. You want to? If I let us for you, next time I will give you her. Look at her. She has seen her husband. Let's go. Don't mind that. She has seen her husband. Akunana village. Akuna one. You can let them go. Akuna.
If I tell my son, I know he will beat daylight out of her. Can you imagine nonsense? Me? Come on up, my fanda. Mwapona. Which? Mama. Okay. I will not tell him. Go on, Diva.
What you say that you will read. Oh yeah. What you saw that you will read. When pain and sorrow come true.
Been to bed several times now. You know that I want to go to Paris. Yeah. Okay, then. Okay, Paris. Alright, thank you. Love you.
Baby, why don't you go to Dubai?
I've been to Dubai several times. I'm not being in Paris. No, I won't be in Paris now.
Let me tell you something. Dubai, I prefer Dubai because the last time I stayed there, it was really fun. The only thing there is just that I don't like their swimming pool. All the swimming pool there is next door, you know. I don't really like it. Maybe, you know, I think I would have preferred Dubai because the last time I shopped in Nairobi, I was to Dubai. It's very cool. The only thing I don't like is the swimming pool. The swimming pool is not really cool. What's that?
Nairobi is a Cape Town.
Nairobi? Nairobi is in Dubai. That's where I shop all my jewelries and gold. Oh, the place is very. Don't you know Nairobi?
Oh, yes. That is in Cape Town.
Cape Town? Nairobi is in Dubai. Have you forgotten?
Oh, in Chico Street. Yeah. Yes, I've been there. It's a nice place. Baby,
I just ran out of Naira. I don't know if you know. I only have euros and pounds with me. I don't know if you have 50,000 or 1,000.
Baby, please, I don't have I just use the next one.
Show the camera your nose.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I want to fix my nails. Told me that I need like 200,000 and we can have $100 to pay. So please.
Yeah, I think we can still change the dollar.
Actually?
Oh, really? We go and change it.
Okay. Okay, baby, you know, I feel it's so very, very far. No, I can't because I don't want to keep myself better. So I
just like I'm doing. Yeah. I'm just receiving fresh air here. Please don't know me. This house, you know, just hiding myself. I don't want people to know the kind of person I am. Yeah, sure. Hey, baby. You passed one big mansion when you were coming here. One big mansion there. I bought it yesterday, baby. I bought it! I bought the house!
Oh my god! Are you serious?
I'm serious!
Oh my
God! What you saw that you will reap. Oh yeah. What you sow that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the weekend.
You waiting be your own now. Waiting be your own.
Waiting not gonna be my own. Why will you be lying up and down 6.5? I know you. I know you. Okay.
You think I'm lying?
Who talk about lying? Who talk about lying? You think I don't know you? I know your guy in Otanja Market. I know your guy very well in Osuland. So because you stole this fine shirt, stole fine jeans, stole everything, even the necklace, you came to this village with 6.5 million, 5.5 million. You know how she start trap and you zero up.
If I show you now, you will shock. Oh.
Show me, let me show.
You will shock. Oh.
Show me.
If I show you this receipt corner, you will shock. Oh.
Oh, you don't know that Ayanaga 111. Okunaga 111. Ayanaga 111 next year. You don't have money. Instead of you to use this your fine boy, use this your tall boy, use all this your lie attitude to make money. You're here wasting it. Don't you know I can help you make money with this thing? Yes, now. Oh, you don't know? Let me go and tell everybody you're fake.
Wait. No, come now. Come.
I want to go money. You know go money now. Say come. Don't you know this your lie thing? You know this your 6.5 million, 3.5 million. I can make it in Uchenna's sister. Uchenna's sister now. I love you.
That good for nothing, lousy girl.
Oh, the Bible said we should see the good in every bad situation. That girl I know is a bad situation, but if you use my 4-figure double eye to recompose that girl, my brother, you will see that girl is a lot of money. The girl is what these boys that press laptop, these boys that do wayo in the name of Yahoo. The girl is what they call maga. If you use all this your fine phone with this your fine phone, this your fine shirt with your bling bling, you use this your bling bling and look at that 2 times. You fell in love and start picking money.
So what are you saying now?
Thank you. I like the way you are taking interest in this business. Just promise the girl, just be lying this lie in front of her. Leave the rest, I will compose her. That girl, I will compose her. I will make her believe that you want to build 3-story building in this village. The next thing, she will now start collecting money from Uche.
Are you serious?
That girl is lying that she's a student. She know they go any school, oh. She know they any school. The school fees where they collect from Uche, where you go use do makeup. You can free your top. On one condition.
50-50. 50-50.
If those are fine like you, don't like you, I will not involve you for this business. I
don't say 70-50. Forget about 70-50. 70-30.
70-30. Why? Why?
Let's do 70-30.
With all the sense I have.
Sense.
Without my sense, do you think anything will
you have sense?
If I don't have sense, how will I know that you are lying?
You need to receive sense because I know that my call is legit.
Hey, you want to cause another problem? You just want to cause another problem. You want to spoil this business?
Let's get business started.
Thank you. I will make sure I compose the girl to like you. Anytime you see me and that girl, start talking about hotel. And you want to build hotel in this village. Once you talk about hotel, I will compose her.
If I compose her, the first thing she will do is, I'm going to my mom. If you can deliver in the waistline, if you can deliver this side, I know your stature and this your size. You have a big road.
I will shift her waist.
I want that girl to be shouting, my wombo, my wombo, my wombo, my wombo, my wombo. The moment she shouts my wombo, believe me, she will start paying.
No problem, no problem.
Are you okay with that?
I'm okay.
Thank you.
70-30.
Who is 7? Sounds like you don't want this business. 70-30. Don't compose and finish. See, fine boy. And his mother will be happy now, Moroma. Fine boy, every day lying. This boy, the way he lies, 6.5 million, 3.5 million. You do not want to go in a village. That's a year you propose to 70-30. Fool. If you like, don't do it 50-50. Instead of you collecting money from the girl will start collecting money from you. In Emeka 6.5. And the worst part is, anytime this idiot sees me, he will start making calls 6.5 million, 10.5 million. Am I the only poor waiting? Okay. From me, self, if I even look myself, a designer, this is why I use razor tear. You no still the green show as a designer. See, tear everywhere. Make I don't look like this more. Yet he go to tell me 6.5 million, 7.5 million. That Uche with beer, Uche go for all goats. I will wreck you. I will make sure every penny you spend on Ezinne is removed from Ezinne's body. On just
what you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah. What you sow that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. What?
Ezzy, you want to phone me? What are you doing?
I want to buy something.
Ezzy, come. Very important.
I want to go for
Come first, it's a money matter. I've been looking for you all over the universe. I've been looking for you. I've searched for you everywhere, under my cupboard, everywhere.
How would you be searching for you?
Why won't I search for you?
Under your cupboard, am I that?
Because I've not seen you now. Ezzy, there is business. A very important business. I don't know you to like money like this. Yes, it will bring money, but you know that my tall friend, the fair one, that just came back from the city, that have been buying everywhere, buying lands, buying houses up and down. You know him now? The one I call Lion.
Okay, that fine boy.
Yeah, the fine boy. Oh yes, the fine boy.
Yeah, he's very cute, very fine boy.
That guy is in love with you.
Eh?
He was begging me, please, Obiora, don't help me and beg Ezinne.
Me?
Yes, now.
He loves me.
Yes, he loves you.
How?
You don't know what you have. He was begging me, please, Obiora, just beg Ezinne. You know he's a very shy person. And for your information, he owns a private jet. Oh, you don't know? He owns a transport company in Poland.
That small boy.
You call him small boy. Chai! You are calling him small boy because you don't know him. As we speak now, he came into this village low-key so that he will hide and find a woman that will keep in his home. And so far so good, you are that woman.
Hey! Thank you, Jesus. Me?
Yes, now.
Are you sure?
Oh, have I lied to you before?
Don't come and joke with me or play with me. You know I don't like playing. Are you sure?
Who likes play? I will just stop you in the middle of the road and I'll start playing with you. Oh yes.
He has gotten me already. Sit on me.
Eh? Just like that?
He has gotten me. Let him take. I like the boy already. I like him already. But I mean, you know, he has.
But you just said you don't like money that much.
It's not that I like it too much.
Yeah. But will you allow him to visit Jerusalem if he gets to Israel? That's the only way forward. If you can allow him visit Jerusalem, come back even once at all.
Because if you cannot go to the market and buy something without testing it. If you can just allow him test first before the marriage, the aircraft will be yours.
Marriage?
I told you he loves you, he wants to marry you. Just allow him get to Jerusalem, finish.
You didn't tell me it's about marriage now. What is there in Jerusalem?
Let us go.
Wait, let me freshen up now. Let me go to the house.
Freshen, Guinea. Do you know how you look? You look like morning star. Like this. You want to freshen? Keep us in a fresh. Everything you have it here. Look at this one. Everywhere intact. Well, let's go.
But I would like to change my clothes.
Don't change anything. He likes you like this. That guy is in love. Yeah. With all these things you have, you want to change. If you change now, do you know if it will shrink your bum bum?
No, I'll wear skimpy one.
Don't wear anything. Everything is shooting out. Look at the two oranges and everywhere coming outside. He will like it. Let me take you to his house. But you are supposed to give me a phone. You are supposed to give me a phone.
Don't come with that one. I will just
What you so that you weary. Oh yeah. What you so that you weary. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. No peace for the wicked, no peace for the evil man. What you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah. What you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah. What you sow that you will reap. The evil that men do, the evil that men do.
The money bar, I pay go to SEC. The enemy with it for 1 year of fire. The only man that have when money speaks, nonsense talks. Boss, you see that house you bought? I have fallen for you. In fact, I am tripping for your legs. Boss, if you see that house, you know the house I showed you now. I just bought it yesterday. Even we were with the contractors were shouting, who is this man? Who is this man? This guy has finished work. Boss of life. Look at his hair. His hair was made in Fernanda Po. Oh, you don't know? Have you seen boss making hair in Nigeria? No barber touches this hair. If he wants to cut his hair now or do shaving, straight to Fernanda Po. Very fast. Fernanda Po. You don't know Fernanda Po? In Otunkom. You've not heard of the country called Otunkom? He makes his hair in Fernanda Po in Otunkom. Boss of life. Look at it. It's good. Yes, so from Nairobi in Kenya. He told me himself. He said he got it from Nairobi in Dubai. Sorry, Dubai.
Dubai. That's where I buy my jewelry and gold. I know you've not been there before.
No, she's sorry, boss. I'm sorry to say this. She's a local champion. Oh yes, she's born and brought up in this village.
I see.
No, he's your elder brother, Uchenna. He's one of these local.
Oh, Uchenna.
That local boy I told you now.
Carries himself off.
That would go to Bia. That's his useless brother. But don't worry. You've met the boss. The brother don't have the boss. When the boss talks, you shut up. Boss, look at her now. Check out. Fine girl, no people. Even the boss, if you know how I managed to beg this girl to this place, you will say something for me. Boss, when will you leave this contest? Say, Baba can take you out. He can take you to London just for lunch.
Don't worry, I am fine.
You see, good girl. She doesn't want you to spend your millions. You
don't want to go to London. Money is not the problem. I think we have to talk now.
No, she's a local champion. I said this before. Let's see. You're a local champion now. You don't know your right from your left. If they take you to Dubai now, you start shouting, I don't know. So I understand. Boss, I have to go to that new site you want to buy. Okay? Yeah, just stay with him, man. Anything you want, do it for me. Even if he wants to travel to... He's in Israel now. He wants to go to Israel. Yeah? Allow him is a pilgrimage. No, he's not a pilgrimage. Just do it, yeah?
Got you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Want you so that you will read. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. Want you so that you will reap. No peace for the wicked, no peace for the evil man. Want you so that you will reap. Oh yeah. Want you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Want you so that you will read. The evil that made you lies
But you know, you've not done anything about the school fees I told you I wanted to pay.
School fees? I can't remember you mentioning this before.
I told you I wanted to pay my school fees now. 190,000 now. Approximately 200,000.
What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
Just give me the money first. So I will know how it is.
Okay, so you first seem to know what I do.
Okay. I got your business. Hey! This is not 190,000. It's not 45,000 naira. You're my lecturer. You're my lecturer. Shit, but one how? What she asking now? One how? It's not for one.
What's wrong with you people? You're even afraid. Won't fight my brother. Listen to what's wrong with you. I am talking about saying it now.
Thief.
Are you what, man? Say it. Where are you afraid? Wait, get out of here. Get out from here. Get busy. Idiots. Okay. No problem.
Want you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Want you so that you will read.
Hello? You don't need to complain. Just chill. I'll give you back. Hey, I'll give you, what's 80,000 naira? It is a chicken change for me. Okay, listen to me now, If I change my euro next week, yes, I'll change it next week, then I'll give it to you. I'm going to give you 500,000 cash. So, no problem. Well, if I just change my euro next week, I'll pay you back. It's a chicken change. I love you so much. I love you. Oh, you want us to retweet? I give it to you so hard very, very hard. I will give it to you very well this time. I will dig it in. I'll get back to you, okay? $80K. What's all that? What's all that? $80K. This girl gets sense. She gets sense.
Lion. Lie. The man that uses lie to even tell how the world will end and come back again. Have you confirmed your alert?
Which alert?
You're asking me which alert? Don't even play that your lying tongue with me. That girl told me in confidence that she has paid 80,000 Nigerian naira. I repeat, 80,000 Nigerian naira. I have divided it in my mind. It is 40-40.
Let me tell you. You know, I never knew that this thing would work out this way.
No one now. You never knew. No one.
It will work out. Well, definitely I'll find you something.
There is nothing like definitely or find something. We agreed on 50-50. Give me my own share of the money now before you in Akuwa.
I could find you something now.
No, they find me something. Give me my money. You're telling me find me something. See, wait.
I go find you something.
I will not show you.
I'm not pressing if
I told him press if I am not bothered that you will press. Transfer my own. She said she did transfer for you. Yeah, cashless policy. She did transfer to your account. Transfer my own. I have bank account too. You are not the only person with bank account.
You know what happened?
Send the RM to Mozu.
You have my Instagram.
Instagram.
DM me your account number. Instagram.
I am your account number. I have told you I'm not one of these people you lie to.
Or I go to Facebook.
I don't know what digging it.
Go to Facebook.
Facebook.
Send me a message. Your account number. I will transfer.
Wait. I should go and face my book. My face that you're seeing, is it too expensive for you? Welcome, give me my money. Let me leave this place. You're telling me Facebook. Okay, give me my money. I go shout to village people. What people? I will shout to. I'm shouting on radio. Okay. Come here. I'm shouting on. Your guy, just 50,000, 40,000. Now. Okay, now. I don't have it cash now. Transfer. I have accounts. Transfer.
That's what I'm saying. You should go to my Instagram. DM me your account number. They will send your money.
No, I have it. I have my account number in my head. This is money matter. Yeah, but we go. Give me my own. Nah. Oh, stop telling me no price. Stop touching me. I don't like it. Give me my money. Yeah, but we go. 40,000 for you, 40,000 for me. We do business. I will still convince someone. For your information.
You see, no network. Can't you see?
No network. Network inside. You are not going anywhere. Put network in this phone. You put network. So you use network to receive alert. Use that same network to transfer my own. Look at this man. Which are you? You're putting your phone in your pocket, taking can water. And I'm going to can water. The phone will go for you. Give me my money. You will not see this phone until you return my money. Oh, you will not see this phone.
I'll give you.
Give it to me now. Let me go.
No network. Mobile transfer. No network. Chill. I'll give you.
You know you lie too much.
What you so that you will reap. Oh yeah. What you so that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. What you sow that you will reap.
My baby. Hey, what can I do without this girl? Look at now, she's calling me. Maybe she's calling me to give me 100K. Eh? After collecting money from that her stupid brother, that good for nothing, she'll come and give to me. Maga, it be fun upon my years. Let me quick now. Hello, my love.
Hello?
My baby. My sugar. How you doing?
I'm fine. There's something I want to tell you.
Baby, what is it? You know I can do anything for you. Just name it. Because of you, good luck Jonathan Gacy Apunta, the ECJ in Enugu State. Tell me, what is it? Name it. I'm just a girlfriend, no problem. I will come and wash plate for you. Tell me, baby, tell me. You are looking for it. Okay, you're looking for me. I'm here. Really, I'm here. I'm always there for you now. You don't need to look for me.
No, you.
Then what?
I'm looking for my period.
Please, can you take that lines again?
I'm looking for my period.
Beginning? Which period are you looking for? See, let me tell you, you better go and search for it under your pillow, your cupboard. Search for it very well, or even that your useless brother's room. Go and look for it where he's keeping money. Go and search for it. Or if you don't find it, go to Summit Junction anywhere. See, this is an expensive joke. I don't like it. What do you mean you are looking for your period? No. I don't like that. See, don't tell me that kind of a thing next time. What do you mean?
Why are you saying all these kind of things now? It's not the both of us that did it.
Did what?
It's not the both of us that did it.
Do which do? Do kill you there.
I'm not doing it too now. You're telling me to go and look for it.
See, but I'm done with you.
Hello? 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 Ha!
Can you imagine? You are looking for your period. Yeah? I was even thinking maybe you called to give me upgrade 200k.
You see now. After you say you love me, after doing the do now, you are running me. Hey, what do I do now? Ghosty is the answer.
Oh yeah, what you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah, what you sow that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart.
I don't know where they got this foolish gates man. GM! Oh!
This is no rest for this place. GM. So they come manage and name here. GM there.
Do you know you're very stupid?
Me, stupid.
As in you are mad.
Me, mad.
Number one, why did you do this?
Madam, I sweep that side now. You know say this place, the compound, I need to sweep and move over here.
You can sweep that side. So when you are sweeping, you leave the gate open. What if somebody comes inside?
Madam, nobody will come. You see all those children, I don't want none of them say they near this place. We'll get problem. Who even tell you say the gate is open?
Look now.
You don't have sense, you don't have brain. Your village people have used your sense.
Oh my God.
What kind of stupid, foolish gates man?
Madam, no they talk to me like that. Even people, Oga, madam, no they talk to me this way. They come tell me something when I don't understand.
I am not your foolish madam. I'm not your foolish yellow papa madam and your Oga. Do you understand me?
Madam, see me can tell you, we have to come. I don't wish to marry you.
What kind of stupid talk is that one?
Not blame you now. Don't worry, come. Will you make you come here now?
Take. Go to any pharmacy and buy me that thing there.
Post.
Did I ask you to read it?
Post office too.
Post later.
Yeah, you say make I go again.
Oh God. Go to your village.
Madam, no they do this thing now. Where you say make I go?
Oh no, go to any pharmacy and get me that thing there, Joe.
Okay, for post office, they say chemist. Okay, wait, I will just give them this thing, Abi.
Give me. Go get out.
If I reach there, they will just. Okay.
Hey God, where did they get this from? General Manager.
Nami.
How you doing now?
Nami, call me. If you know, say now only you be the person where they call me that my title. General Manager.
Yes, sir. I better leave that one first. So, madam.
Which of the madam?
Your madam. How many madam do you have?
Hey. As I follow you talk, madam where they these apps, they plenty. You see that small masquerade where they carry come from village, where I never understand where for come. That one just terrorize the whole compound. Yeah, GM, you do this. GM, you do that. GM, you go with there. GM, you come there. Everything, GM. You don't they bring fire, stone, glass, everything they come. I don't know where they for go bring that small winch. Come, they come torment everybody for the compound. That woman is the only person with as you see this my title where they call me so where they make body they sweet to me. You know what that woman tell me today?
What did you tell?
GM will be general manager. She change him. She say na gate man. G for gate, M for man.
So now she goes school pass her.
It can be like if I sing go this message come back, I will tell Oga make them change this thing. See, now this thing they make and they call me gate man. By the time Oga saw me new uniform, I dress my uniform, wear my cap, wear my na stick. You see all of my brother we do gate man for Australia. Now so those ones they dress where they make them they very very okay. But you don't know say I have been married her age.
She has been the one terrorizing my friend. As in tormenting my only friend, my own friend.
No. Okay, terror.
Don't worry. No, she not worry. Don't worry yourself, Let me just go inside and give her a little piece of my mind.
No! That masquerade no need peace, oh. Not even triumph, say na peace.
Don't worry yourself.
No, not do peace, oh.
GM, don't worry yourself. I'll drop something for you,
Okay.
What you saw that you will reap.
What's this kind of people for? So this thing is not coming. Let me do something about it before that will pass Gary now. Who is that foolish person? Who's that idiot at the gate? I'm looking for the madam of this house. Hey! Do you have gates in your house? No. Do you have gates in your house? That you want to break down this one? You must be very stupid. Oh. In fact, you must be very, very mad. In fact, you are stupid, you are crazy, you are an idiot. Where is your madam? Where is your style? I'm mad. You don't want to do that one this morning. I'm stupid. Yes! I'm mad. You are crazy. I'm crazy. In my own brother's house, they're mad. In my own brother's house. Do you have a brother? Do you have a brother? If I backhand you now, you tell me your sister-in-law is. I'm my sister-in-law's keeper. I'm my sister-in-law's keeper now that you're asking me foolish question. You're mad. Why am I asking a mad person question? Why am I asking somebody that is obviously crazy? Question! Come back here. Oh! You're mad. Just try it and say you want to go inside again. Oh my God! See, if you try it again! If you try it again, it's not to that just keep asking. No. your wife's friend. Come to this place by this time of the morning to do what I don't understand.
So wait, you now detect people that visit my house?
But it's not like I'm detecting who visits you and who does not visit you. But please, why would she come to this place by this morning, this early morning? Don't do what if not to gossip? Eh? Do you know she's the one that advised your wife on different stupid things, and when she comes back, she come and tell you and you start misbehaving?
Me misbehave? In fact, you are tired of staying in this city. You are going back to the village. Mark my word, you are going back to the village. First thing tomorrow morning. You are taking too much in this house. You are going back to the village.
I have not got into that. But check this thing though. You know we used to be very close. You used to be my best friend. We used to be close like this. But when she comes now, if she advise your wife will enter the room. I mention she enters, you just come out and start giving me change.
Wait. You got 80,000 I gave to you yesterday change.
Brother, check it now. Can this 80,000 buy me makeup?
Oh, you're a big girl. In fact, you be that big girl. You go to the village and become that big girl.
Yeah. This is my brother's house. I will remain here. Not to the factory. You are going in the city. You are going back to the village. Don't you? I am not going anywhere. I am staying here. This is my brother's house. What is it?
What you so that you will reap. Oh yeah. What you sow that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true.
My father, you see this money I am giving to you. I was supposed to discuss it with my wife before giving it to you. I didn't do that. So please, I want you to use this money judiciously.
Uche, am I a small boy? No, Uche, am I a baby? That you will be controlling, that you will be telling me for you to give me money, you have to ask your wife. You just have to announce it.
See, Ikoro, my brother, you fail to understand that I toiled so much to make this money. You understand? So, this your business proposal you brought, I was supposed to like look into it, but I didn't even look into it. I didn't even discuss with my wife, but I am giving you this money. All I'm saying, I know you are a senior brother, but all I'm saying, I'm just advising you to use this money judiciously. Not that nothing.
What is this? What is this that you want to give me money? You are shouting, you are telling me that you want to tell your wife, and then tell your wife, and money that I want to use and do small business. Just small business, so belego. If you are Jamana, I don't like it. See. Do you forget how I helped you? Even when our father was late?
There is something, see, look at this issue here. I didn't even say all this thing for you to spring up. It's just an advice I am giving to you. You understand? Money is hard to make. I know why I'm saying it. So please, use this money and be useful to yourself. You understand? I didn't say it.
No, I don't like it.
Okay.
What is this? What is this?
Okay, let me just transfer this money now so that you will get a lot now. You are just I'm transferring it now. You are not
my brother. You know how we grew up. You know what Mama told us.
Yeah. You're just misunderstanding me. I am not trying to
just want to open this business so that everybody will be happy. My wife will be happy. I will see who know that I have a
brother. What you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah. What you sow that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true.
But I told you not to wait for me.
Why would I wait for you? I've been calling your man and you're not picking my call, so I decided to
you know, I saw the call, but I was doing something. I saw Achalugo, why your man? Up now. Hey, Ligoti. Moderate. Only if Oma just carried something and food everywhere. Moderate.
Hey,
I've been here waiting for you because you know I told you that my dad wants to buy the airport at Lekki, the one in Aja.
Aja? Airport?
Yes, now my dad wants to buy the airport. And you know, I told you now, I need money. Because my dad just called me. He told me about the agent. I need to give the agent money for him to secure the airports. You know this. I don't want my dad to lose that airport.
I know. I know. Look, I will tell my brother, Uchenna. He will give me money.
Are you sure he will give you the money?
He will give me money when he do transfer. I do not do transfer to you.
You even know about transfer?
Cashless policy kind of messy. Cashless.
Are you serious?
You know, it is not good money of high quality. You just carry it and be walking around. Nobody will just, people will just come and collect. It's cashless policy.
I know about the transfer. My dad told me when I was in Europe. Yeah, my dad really told me about the transfer. You know this tattoo?
Yes, Manka. Look at
this tattoo. Yeah, I drew this tattoo when I was in Poland. You know, the man in Poland, like when I was in Poland, the man that drew this tattoo, he and my dad, they are best of friends. They are 5 and 6, like Coke and Fata. They do everything together. And the man is even my dad's PA. You understand? Yeah, so if you give me this money now to buy that, for my dad to buy that airport, I promise you'll be the manager.
Yes, I will be the PA.
You'll be the manager, not the PA. You'll be the manager. And you know the airport is very, very big. The one in Lekki in Ajana. You don't know the airport? My dad is the one going to buy that airport. And everything will be very, very fine. Don't worry. Money is just 150,000 naira.
Don't worry. I still have your account number, the Eco Bank. I will just tell Uchenna, he will just give me the money and I will transfer to you.
Why are you sure Uchenna will give you the
money? Why are you saying this kind of thing? Uchenna didn't want Tarato. Everything that I used to take to the stream, even when our father died, I helped Uchenna. So why will Uchenna not help me now? Why? No!
Look, Ezinne, I want you out of this place. You don't have a place in this house. Go and get married.
This is my father's house.
Your father served my food.
Oh,